You should go and look so you can see what it's like. It'll help.
So this is
well, Tim tried to find a faster way, you know. Usual. It's just hard to cross.
There's fair consequence of falling long ways down a steep embankment with not a lot of ease to get your bike back out, as you'll see. And a lot of spots along there where you could potentially lose your bike. So we try to do it.
At least with your bikes, it won't be so bad. Ours are the tricky ones.
That's David going to go first.
Yeah, that's Tim. Yeah, try to cool it down.
I think I'm going to walk by it.
I like walking it. I like walking it down there and riding it out. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was worried about.
So this is a really good example of how steep ours is. You happen to be one little good step spot right over here. A person can get off and help somebody.
Yep. Not anymore. Okay. Yeah.
Even Bob had a little bit of trouble.
Make more room!
It's getting worse and worse.
That's okay, man. I'm right here. I got you. Can't go far with me here. So.
As you'll see, even these little pit bikes have a bit of trouble getting through here as well.
Yeah. I got you. I got you. Yep. Okay. Oh yeah, good job. I'll guide you out. I am, not you're not. Oh yeah, you are, you are. Yeah.
Know where this.
This is the stuff, man. Yeah. I'm gonna slide it down on you. Right there. Okay, she's coming.
Now time to get my bike across there. Slowly working her in.
Always. God damn it.
And here, my ass end tries to run off the back over the creek edge.
Don't turn that.
Get her back up there.
Fuck. This fucker's inside. Okay. Okay. Woo.
Let me get your rear over once you got a hold of it.
Yeah.
Alright, you gotta pull that back tire more.
Okay, look. There we go.
Crawl over the rock. I got clutch.
Woo, that sucker's getting scarier every time. Woo, thanks guys.